This video will guide you through the process of dropshipping on TikTok Shop, from getting started to scaling your business. Global marketplace. Connecting sellers with over 1 billion monthly active users worldwide. Seamless shopping. Revolutionary in-app shopping without leaving TikTok. Creator partnerships. Innovative live shopping and creator collaboration features. Third-party fulfillment. Sellers don't hold inventory. Suppliers directly ship products to customers. Low startup costs. Dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment, making it an accessible business model. Wide product selection. Dropshippers have access to a vast range of products without needing to stock them themselves. Massive reach. TikTok Shop leverage the platform's massive user base, exposing your products to millions. Engaging content. TikTok's video-centric format allows for interactive and compelling product demonstrations. Direct sales. TikTok Shop facilitates direct sales, simplifying the purchasing process for customers. Create account. Sign up for a TikTok Shop account and link it to your existing TikTok profile. Add payment information. Set up your payment gateway and connect your bank account for secure transactions. Configure shipping settings. Define shipping rates and delivery options for your products. Passion and knowledge. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise for authenticity and passion. Market demand. Research popular products and trending items to identify high-demand niches. Competitive landscape. Analyze the competition in your choice. Online marketplaces. Explore platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, and Spocket for a wide range of suppliers. Industry directories. Use directories to find reputable suppliers specializing in specific niches or product categories. Direct contact. Reach out to suppliers directly through their websites or contact information. Product reviews. Read customer reviews and ratings to assess product quality and reliability. Supplier feedback. Check supplier ratings and feedback from other dropshippers to gauge their reputation. Sample products. Order samples from potential suppliers to evaluate product quality firsthand. High-resolution images. Capture product details with professional-grade photography that highlights every feature. Engaging visuals. Create images that instantly grab attention and spark customer curiosity. Compelling descriptions. Craft detailed product narratives that clearly communicate unique benefits and key features. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords used by your target audience to optimize product listings. Product categories. Categorize products accurately to ensure they appear in relevant search results. Shop title and description. Craft a clear and engaging shop title and description that accurately reflects your brand. Hashtag strategy. Use relevant and trending hashtags to increase visibility and reach. Engaging content. Create interactive and engaging content to capture user attention and drive engagement. Consistent posting. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and foster a sense of community. Product demonstrations. Showcase the product in action, highlighting its key features and benefits. Customer testimonials. Feature satisfied customers, sharing their positive experiences with the product. Behind-the-scenes content. Share glimpses into your business operations, showcasing your team and brand values. Effective advertising is crucial for successfully dropshipping on TikTok Shop. Understanding and leveraging TikTok's unique ad ecosystem can dramatically improve your product visibility and sales potential. Ad campaign strategies. Develop targeted ad campaigns that resonate with your specific audience, using TikTok's robust demographic and interest-based targeting tools. Diverse ad formats. Experiment with various ad formats including in-feed videos, brand takeovers, and branded effects to maximize engagement and reach. Performance tracking. Continuously monitor ad performance metrics, A/B test different creative approaches, and optimize your campaigns for better ROI. By mastering TikTok's ad platform, dropshippers can create compelling, targeted campaigns that drive traffic, increase conversions, and grow their online business effectively. Consistent engagement. Actively interact with followers by responding to comments and creating meaningful conversations. Live streams. Connect directly with your audience through real-time live streams that build community spirit. Collaborations. Expand your reach by partnering with other creators and brands to cross-pollinate audiences. Identify relevant influencers. Find influencers who align with your brand values and target audience. Reach out and collaborate. Contact influencers to discuss potential partnerships and promotional opportunities. Monitor performance. Track the results of influencer collaborations to measure their effectiveness. Responsive communication. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address concerns with empathy and professionalism. Reliable shipping. Partner with trusted shipping carriers to ensure timely and secure deliveries. Order tracking. Provide customers with order tracking information to keep them informed about their shipments. Transparent policy. Establish a clear and transparent return policy that outlines eligible items and return procedures. Easy returns. Make the return process as seamless as possible to ensure customer satisfaction. Prompt refunds. Process refunds promptly and efficiently, adhering to your established policy. Sales performance. Track key sales metrics, such as total sales, average order value, and conversion rates. Customer engagement. Monitor engagement metrics, including likes, comments, shares, and website traffic. Marketing effectiveness. Analyze the performance of your ad campaigns and influencer partnerships. Increase product offering. Expand your product selection to cater to a wider range of customer needs and interests. Optimize listings. Continuously improve your product listings to enhance visibility and conversion rates. Expand marketing efforts. Invest in additional marketing channels, such as influencer partnerships and paid advertising. E-commerce websites. Create your own e-commerce website to establish a direct sales channel and build brand recognition. Other marketplaces. Explore other popular marketplaces, such as Amazon and eBay, to reach a wider audience. Social media shopping. Integrate shopping features on other social media platforms, like Instagram and Facebook. TikTok Business Center. Stay informed about new features, policies, and best practices through the TikTok Business Center. Industry blogs and forums. Follow industry blogs and forums to stay updated on the latest trends and insights. TikTok updates. Subscribe to TikTok's official announcements and newsletters for the most recent updates. Supplier agreements. Establish clear agreements with suppliers regarding pricing, payment terms, and shipping responsibilities. Privacy and data protection. Comply with data protection regulations, ensuring the privacy and security of customer information. Product liability and safety. Ensure product safety and comply with relevant regulations to minimize legal risks. Customer service. Outsource customer service tasks to dedicated teams or AI-powered chatbots for efficient support. Inventory management. Leverage software to automate order fulfillment and track real-time stock levels accurately. Marketing automation. Use advanced tools to schedule posts, create targeted ad campaigns, and analyze performance metrics. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that drive results and delegate or automate less critical tasks. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable goals and milestones to maintain momentum and avoid burnout. Utilize productivity tools. Employ productivity tools, such as task managers and time tracking software, to optimize workflows. Analyze competitors. Research your competitors to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and strategies. Differentiate your offering. Highlight unique selling propositions that distinguish your business from competitors. Provide excellent customer service. Build customer loyalty by delivering exceptional customer experiences. Research and due diligence. Thoroughly research different marketplaces to determine their suitability for your products. Adapt listings and strategies. Optimize product listings and marketing strategies for each marketplace's specific requirements. Monitor performance. Track sales and customer feedback on each marketplace to identify areas for improvement. Affiliate marketing. Promote other products or services and earn commissions on successful referrals. Subscription boxes. Offer curated subscription boxes featuring related products, creating recurring revenue. Educational content. Create and sell online courses or guides related to dropshipping or your niche expertise. Marketing and advertising. Strategically invest profits to expand marketing efforts and reach a broader audience through targeted campaigns. Product development. Continuously research and introduce innovative products that diversify your offerings and attract new customer segments. Technology and automation. Leverage cutting-edge technology and automation tools to optimize operational efficiency and reduce manual workload. Embrace challenges. Transform setbacks into stepping stones for personal growth and development. Stay motivated. Keep your vision clear and celebrate every milestone on your entrepreneurial journey. Seek support. Build a network of mentors and peers who inspire and encourage your progress. Embrace challenges. Transform setbacks into stepping stones for personal growth and development. Stay motivated. Keep your vision clear and celebrate every milestone on your entrepreneurial journey. Seek support. Build a network of mentors and peers who inspire and encourage your progress.